What's going on? Welcome back to another video. Month 5 has been the most interesting thus far. I dibbled and dabbled into a little commercialized product. It ended up backfiring on me, so I'm going to tell you exactly why. Before we get started into the new information, I just want to give y'all a quick little refresher. My mom started my DIY Microlocs. She's not a beautician or a loctician. We just trying it out, you know. This is just a little experiment that we hope goes well. She started both of our locks with 2-strand twists. Hi T, your hair is flourishing nicely, thank you. You notice your lock strands separating in areas that were originally twisted from your installation as they get older. If you did notice this, did you leave them alone or retwist these? I'm 8 weeks in and I noticed this. I wanted to know if I should leave it alone. My hair unravels all the time. Every day I'm finding a new one that's just needs to be twisted back up, and they're mostly like towards the crown of my head. I want to see if I can find one for y'all. Of course, since I'm making a video, they all hiding, but any other day they would be everywhere. Sometimes I have a mixture. It depends on how unraveled they are for me. I can feel this one starting to unravel, but you see how it's kind of like tangled on each other even though it is unraveled. I just leave these alone. I just feel like maybe it'll just compress back together somehow, but I can definitely see 2 strands of hair and they're just like going out like that. I would definitely just go in and braid it. The braids are solid. They're not going nowhere. They're loyal. They're not doing anything. They staying together. So this is an example of a braided lock. Both of them are braided. Whenever I'm trying to check to see if it's unraveling, I always try to start at the root because I don't want to just separate one unnecessarily. Some of them are braid locks, some of them are twisted locks. I mean, it's just, I have a lot of different ones. So as you can see kind of down here, the ones that are braided kind of have a little bit more weight to it. You can see it hanging down right here and a little right here. This is a braid lock, but for the most part my hair is twisted, so that's the update on that. Retightening. We retighten my hair every 5 to 6 weeks, I would say. I have a video of my first interlocking session already up on my channel, so you can check that out. I have a whole playlist, matter of fact, dedicated to my hair, so you can, I'll have that linked in the description, and you can also click the eye. I hope it's on this side because I've been doing this for a long time. Let's go ahead and get started into the new information. You guys, I decided to take my happy self to Walmart and purchase Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner for moisture and shine. The reason why I decided to make an investment on this product is because I was looking for something that smelled good. I wanted a cute little black coconut type of scent to put in my hair because I ended up finding an oil at Whole Foods that I wanted to put into my my moisturizing mixture, which is just rose water and rosemary oil. So to replace the rosemary oil, I want to put this black coconut oil scent in my hair because it smelled so good. But I was never able to buy it because they only had the sample. It was always out of stock. So I said, this kind of smells similar to the scent that I was looking for, and you know, I'll just get this and I won't drench my hair with this or anything. I'll just spray it, lightly mist it into my hair, you know, just for a scent, a coating. Well, I have come to the conclusion that this dried out my hair. I want you guys to keep in mind that I do run track, so I wasn't sure if it was because I'm always outside or if it was because of this. My mom sprayed this on her hair one time and she said that she felt like a coating on her hair and she felt like it was drier, like almost instantly. I was so obsessed with the scent, I didn't really know what she was talking about. I was just so invested in this because it was my bootleg black coconut oil. After about 2 weeks or so of using it, my hair was extremely dry. So I mentioned that I was using this in my vlog. A lot of you guys DM'd me on Instagram and said, yes, even with your loose natural hair, you can't use this stuff on its own. You have to use like an oil to seal it in. So that kind of also confirmed to me that this was just dry. How ironic that it makes your hair dry and it says it's for dry, dull, and brittle hair, and that's kind of what it made my hair. So I don't know, I'm not bashing Carol's Daughter, it's just not for me. So that was it about that. My hair is stretched out right now. It's kind of longer than normal, and it's because it's just stretched out. I hadn't twisted or braided it in a couple of days, so this is kind of what I get. As far as updates go, that was everything that I had to say about that. So now I'm just about to give y'all a little montage.
I get misty just holding your hand. Walk my way.
I love my hair, y'all. This is probably the best decision that I ever made because it's just perfect for me. The low maintenance, everything like that. My hair has thickened up so much within the past 5 months. So if you have any specific questions for me, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram, or you can also email me at tykara.ann@gmail.com. All of my contact information is always down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, don't forget to click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. That's it. And I'm out.
One of the best to ever do it.